I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. This is the Engine Fixer, and today I'm going to show you how to test your car's alternator the right way, step by step. Now, if your vehicle has a smart charging system, this particular test won't apply to you, but for most cars, this simple test can save you a lot of time and money. What does the alternator do? The alternator's main job is to charge the battery and power all the electrical components in your vehicle while the engine is running. For example, on a Toyota Camry, here's where you'll find it. And here's the location on a Suzuki Forenza. Step 1. Test the battery first. Before testing the alternator, you must check the battery, because a weak or faulty battery can give false alternator readings. Start by inspecting the battery terminals for any corrosion or loose connections. Corrosion adds unwanted resistance and can reduce voltage. If you see any buildup, clean the terminals thoroughly before continuing. Now grab your multimeter and set it to 20 volts DC. Connect the red lead to the positive terminal and the black lead to the negative terminal. A healthy, fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. It's fine if it's a little higher or lower, but if you're seeing around 10 volts, that means one or more cells in the battery are bad, and you all need to replace it. Step 2. Check the battery's cranking voltage. Keep the multimeter leads connected and have someone start the engine. While cranking, the voltage should not drop below 10 volts. If it does, your battery is likely on its way out and should be replaced soon. Once you've confirmed the battery is healthy, double-check all the charging system connections. That includes the battery terminals, alternator plugs, and ground wires. Also, inspect the alternator fuses. Many people overlook these, but a blown fuse can stop the alternator from charging completely. Step 3. Test the alternator output. With the car running, rev the engine to around 2,000 RPM and check the voltage reading. Most cars should show somewhere between 13.5 and 15 volts. If you want the exact spec for your vehicle, always refer to your repair manual. And if you don't have one, I'll link a great one in the description below. Step 4. Add an electrical load. Now it's time to see how your alternator performs under load. Turn on as many electrical accessories as possible: AC, headlights, high beams, radio, and hazard lights. And then recheck your voltage. The reading should not drop below 13.5 volts. If it does, that could mean your alternator is starting to fail, or that your serpentine belt is loose and slipping on the pulley. On the flip side, if the voltage goes above 15 volts, that means your alternator is overcharging the battery. This can cause serious damage, so you'll want to fix it right away. Most of the time, it's caused by a faulty voltage regulator, and that's it. You've just learned how to properly test your alternator and make sure your charging system is in top shape. If you want to learn how a voltage regulator works and the symptoms of a bad one, click the video right here. Thanks for watching. This is the Engine Fixer, helping you diagnose, repair, and get back on the road.